Your cat bites you, ignores you, and then 5 minutes later, acts like it loves you. What does this even mean? Now think about this. Who watches you sleep, judges you silently, randomly attacks your feet at 2 a.m., and still expects unconditional love? No, this isn't a toxic relationship. It's your cat. And if you've ever felt like their behavior makes no sense, you're not alone. Because one moment they act distant, the next moment they're obsessed with you, and somewhere in between, they leave you completely confused. So here's a real question. What if none of this is random? What if every stare, every bite, every weird behavior is actually a message? And the uncomfortable truth is, you might be the one misunderstanding it. Yeah? In this video, we're breaking down cat behavior on a deeper level. Not just what they do, but why they do it. And by the end, you won't just see your cat as a pet anymore. You'll start to understand the mind behind their actions. And trust me, the final behavior reveals something so personal. It might completely change how you see your bond. 1. The random attack, why they bite you. You're petting your cat. Everything feels calm. And suddenly, bite. No warning, no explanation. But here's the truth. It's not aggression. It's overstimulation. Cats experience touch differently than humans. What feels relaxing to you can become overwhelming to them in seconds. Ignore this signal too often, and your cat starts associating you with discomfort. Basically, you went from trusted human to annoying human real quick. But if touch can overwhelm them, then why do they sometimes demand it? 2. Ignoring you the emotional distance. You call their name. Nothing. You try again. Still nothing. But the second you open food, they teleport. So what's happening? Cats aren't ignoring you. They're choosing when to engage. Unlike dogs, cats don't operate on constant validation. They value independence, which means their attention isn't guaranteed. It's earned. So yeah, your cat has boundaries. Do you? But even with that independence, there's one behavior that reveals something deeper. 3. The stare while your cat watches you. That intense, unblinking stare? Yeah. It feels a little uncomfortable, almost like they know something you don't. And in a way, they do. Cats stare to observe patterns, your habits, your mood, your energy. You're not just their owner, you're part of their environment. Which means they've probably studied you more than you've studied them. Congratulations! You're living with a tiny furry psychologist. And once they understand you, they start doing something even stranger. But not all behaviors are confusing. Some are surprisingly emotional. Number 4. The slow blink, the silent I love you. When your cat slowly blinks at you, it's not random. It's vulnerability. In the wild, closing your eyes is dangerous. You lose awareness. You lose control. So when your cat does this in front of you, they're saying, I trust you enough to let my guard down. Think about that for a second. Your cat, a natural predator, feels safe enough around you to be vulnerable. Meanwhile, you panic when your phone battery hits 5%. But if that's how they show trust, then what about when they do the exact opposite? 5. Headbutting, you belong to them. When your cat headbutts you, they're not being cute. They're marking you. Cats have scent glands on their head. So when they rub against you, they're saying, this human is mine. It's not ownership in a controlling way. It's connection. You're part of their territory, their world. Congrats, you've been claimed. No refunds, but ownership isn't the deepest form of bonding. There's something even stronger. 6. Bringing you gifts, the dark truth. Dead mouse, random bug, half-eaten mystery, and your first reaction, ew, why? But from your cat's perspective, this is care. In the wild, experienced cats teach others how to hunt. So when they bring you prey, they might think, you're not very good at surviving. Let me help. They don't see you as superior. They see you as needing guidance. Yeah, your cat thinks you die without them. Honestly, they might not be wrong, but here's where it gets really interesting. Because sometimes, they don't just teach you, they test you. 7. Following you everywhere, the hidden attachment. Bathroom, kitchen, bedroom. Your cat follows you like a shadow. But why? It's not just curiosity, it's attachment. Cats form bonds through proximity. They don't need constant interaction, just your presence. To them, being near you is enough. But if simply being near you matters this much, then what happens when they take it one step further? 8. Sleeping near you, the ultimate signal. Out of all behaviors, this one means the most. When your cat chooses to sleep next to you, they're doing something incredibly risky. They're becoming completely vulnerable. In the wild, sleep equals danger. But next to you, they feel safe, protected, connected. You're not just part of their environment anymore. You're part of their security, their emotional world. And maybe that's what we've been getting wrong this whole time. We think we own cats, but in reality, we're just earning their trust. One behavior at a time. At that moment, you're not just part of their world, you are their safe place. But here's the thing, sleeping next to you is just one layer of a much deeper bond. There are specific reasons why cats choose that exact moment, that exact position, that exact human. And once you understand it, you'll never look at your cat the same way again. So, if you want to go deeper, watch this next video. Why your cat sleeps next to you. It's deeper than you think. Because what it reveals might completely change how you understand your cat.